5 Credit Repair Software 2025 for individuals and businesses. I'm going to tell you the 5 best credit repair software options you can use in 2025. At number 1 is Credit Repair Cloud. It's the most popular all-in-one tool for businesses. It automates disputes, handles client management, and is built to scale. For individuals, Smart Credit is a top pick. It gives you credit monitoring, score tracking, and tools to help with disputes. Dispute B is another strong choice. It's simple, affordable, and works for both personal use and small businesses. Fourth is Score CEO, which is great for pros. It offers automation, analytics, and integrations to manage multiple clients easily. And lastly, Client Dispute Manager. It's more advanced but powerful for serious credit repair businesses. If you're just doing this for yourself, Smart Credit or Dispute B is enough. But if you're starting a credit repair service, go to Repair Cloud or Score CEO. All of these are updated for 2025 and still widely used.